Yo, what's up guys, Savage Boy here. This is gonna be like a funny random video. It's gonna make weird sounds. Okay, let's get started with the fart one.
My bad.
Oh my god, I made that sound and my Uncle Joe actually farted. Okay, now here's the other one. Another one. Okay, now.
Hey, no.
1 second.
Who's guilty? Nobody.
Yeah, hey. Yeah, why not?
Okay, I'm watching the thing. What's wrong?
Which one of you did it?
Did what?
Farted.
What? Fart?
Who's the guilty one?
Oh, Uncle Joe.
Me.
Obviously.
Okay, now I'm making funny sounds.
I'll be back, bye.
What?
Let's go back.
So, what are you doing later?
So, hello. What's wrong? Hello, Stewie Griffin. No, that was horrible. My Uncle Joe. Going to the bathroom. Okay, so Brian,
So what?
what are you doing?
Eating food.
Eating food?
I don't feel like you're recording me, you're literally everything.
Yeah, that was just a random video.
Oh, Snoopy. Dooby dooby doo.
Snoo snoo. Okay, that was just like a short little video. I just wanted to tell you what I could do weird sounds. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed. Well, just a random video. Hope you guys just get a couple views on this video. Just subscribe now.
That's what it sounded like.
Hope you sort of enjoyed. Bye.